Let's go from this to this. So I got these projection lights for $5 on Marketplace, and let me show you how to install them and change the look of your car. This is the light we're gonna put in. Move it. It looks like simple plug and play. It comes with this flat screwdriver, so let's go ahead and install it. Insert this like a lip here. There you go. And then you release the connector. That one came out easy. So now connect this. Works. Make sure to put it back the correct way. There you go. Just push it in, make sure it's flush.